But through the abundance of your steadfast love, will enter your house. I will bow down toward your holy temple in the fear of you. Lead me, O Lord, in your righteousness because of my enemy. Make your way straight before me. For there is no truth inside their mouths. Their inmost self is ruin. Their throats are open graves. They flatter with their tongues. Make them bear their guilt, O God. Let them fall by their own counsel. Cast them down for their rebellion, for they have risen against you. But let all who take refuge in you rejoice. Let them ever sing for joy. Spread your protection over them, that those who love your name may exalt in you. For you bless the righteous, O Lord. You surround them with favor as with